Understanding fake eyelashes in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, fake eyelashes. This term is commonly used in both casual and professional settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Fake eyelashes are a cosmetic accessory used to enhance the length, curliness, fullness, and thickness of natural eyelashes. They are made from various materials, including mink, silk, synthetic, or human hair. The application of fake eyelashes can range from self-application with a temporary adhesive to more permanent extensions applied by a professional. The concept of enhancing eyelashes dates back to ancient times. However, the modern version of fake eyelashes gained popularity in the early 20th century. Today, they are a staple in beauty routines worldwide and are used for both everyday looks and special occasions. Fake eyelashes have also become a significant element in fashion shows, photo shoots, and the film industry. 1. Strip lashes. These are the most common type, applied to the lash line all at once. 2. Individual lashes. These are applied one at a time for a more natural look. 3. Magnetic lashes. These use magnetic liners or magnets embedded in the lashes to adhere without glue. 4. Extension lashes. These are professionally applied and last for several weeks. In many cultures, long and full eyelashes are seen as a sign of beauty. Fake eyelashes can be used for various purposes, from enhancing everyday beauty to creating dramatic looks for performances or artistic expressions. They also play a significant role in the makeup industry and beauty trends. I hope this video helped you understand what fake eyelashes are and their significance in both language and culture. Remember, learning these terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into cultural practices and trends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.